Hey everyone, Cyclone here from CYCIEprodz on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Do me a favor, like, follow, share the channel. Please, please, pretty please, smash that subscribe button so you know every time another video gets posted. Don't forget, drop a comment, ask a question, just be part of the fun, and remember, at 100 subs, I do my first ever giveaway on the YouTube channel. So, if you hear a lot of noise in the background, it's because the fan is on high. It is sweltering here today. Hopefully by you it's a little bit cooler, a lot cooler, just cooler in general. So this rip isn't going to be a long one. As a matter of fact, it's probably going to be the shortest rip ever. Just a single pack. Hoping for some green from this Silver 2024 National Pack. 2 cards in the pack. Don't know what we got. Don't know what we're going to get. Let me get the spacer out. So this way I definitely can't see what is being pulled, but let's first open up this pack. Now, I wasn't at the National, obviously, because I don't go anywhere, I don't travel, but a friend of mine was, and he picked this up for me. So gonna pull these out. Gonna pull from the back, and we have, whoa, a Caitlin Clark Panini rated rookie number 18 of 99. Whoa, nice start on the red Caitlin Clark. Definitely gonna, right now, really fast, which I should have been prepared for. I mean, it's only 2 cards, not a box. I should have been well prepared for this. This is a hot card. Yay, yay, yay. Caitlin. Cannot go wrong with her. She is fire right now. And our second card is going to be Justin Herbert Sherbert. Not numbered. Regular Panini. Not too shabby. But thank goodness for young Miss Clark. There you have it. So guys, do me a favor. Like, follow, share, subscribe. CYCIEprodz, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Don't forget to smash that icon bell so you know every time another video gets posted. And we got a lot of them coming up. I have so many boxes, so many packs ready to go. Have locks of the week, have some health updates coming up soon. Lots of fun stuff on the channel. Just follow along. And drop a comment, drop a question, and until the next video gets posted, I'm Cyclone saying, peace out, homies.